be right back, YouTube. Oh, fuck. I can't walk by something without punching my fist into it! Now, that thing's gonna have to be punished. You wanna fucking hit my fist, you son of a bitch? Huh? Fucking hit my wrist, you fuck you motherfucker! Hit me again and see what fucking... Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, well, it still works. Don't know how I did it, but I'm walking by YouTube. I'm walking by my tool bench here, and I somehow managed to smack my fist into the vice clamp, and it pissed me off, so I took my metal baseball bat. And I smacked the shit out of the fucking vice clamp. And it put a small dent in the baseball bat, but oh well. I got my anger and frustration out.